Dr. José Roberto Moura, I'm from Brazil, and I'd like to invite you to participate at the 13th Dental Facial Cosmetic Conference online and free of charge from 18th to 21st of November. It will be an amazing event with so many great speakers from all over the world. I'll be talking about the pursuit of excellence with microscope aesthetic dentistry, as I strongly believe that high magnification improves the quality of care provided, both from an aesthetic and functional perspective. My presentation will highlight the importance of incorporating the operative microscope in routine clinical practice to achieve longevity and maximum aesthetic results. I will show you several clinical cases with detailed restorative workflow on anterior and posterior teeth using bioactive dental materials with a higher level of aesthetics and enhanced predictability and longevity. I'm also going to be demonstrating how to maximize ergonomics in any direct or indirect procedure. So don't miss this opportunity and register for this amazing event. I'll see you soon.